Aging brings wisdom, experiences, and, unfortunately, muscle loss. After 50, adults can lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass per year, a process called sarcopenia. But here's the good news. Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining and even rebuilding muscle. You've probably heard about protein's role in muscle health, but the story doesn't stop at chicken breasts and protein shakes. Some of the most effective muscle-preserving foods might already be in your kitchen, and a few will definitely surprise you. In this video, we will explore top 10 foods that help seniors preserve and rebuild muscle mass, and why you didn't expect some of them. 1. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are one of the most powerful plant-based sources of protein and an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain muscle mass. Each cup of lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, making them a fantastic meat-free alternative for muscle preservation. What sets beans and lentils apart is their high iron content, which helps transport oxygen to muscles, reducing fatigue and enhancing endurance. Since aging often leads to decreased muscle efficiency, consuming iron-rich foods like beans can help counteract this effect. Beans and lentils are also loaded with fiber, which supports gut health and improves nutrient absorption, ensuring that muscles receive the essential building blocks they need. They can be easily incorporated into soups, stews, or salads for a nutritious and satisfying meal. 2. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is often overlooked as a muscle-building food, but it's one of the best options, especially for seniors. What makes it so effective is its high content of casein protein, a slow-digesting type of protein that continues to feed muscles for hours after consumption. This makes it the perfect nighttime snack, ensuring that muscles receive a steady supply of amino acids while the body rests and recovers. Additionally, cottage cheese is rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Calcium, another key nutrient found in cottage cheese, is critical for proper muscle function and helps prevent cramps and weakness, which become more common with age. For a tasty and effective way to include it in the diet, consider mixing cottage cheese with some nuts or fruit before bed to provide both protein and beneficial nutrients to muscles overnight. 3. Eggs. Eggs have long been known as a staple for muscle-building diets, but their benefits go beyond just protein. They are one of the best sources of leucine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in muscle synthesis. The yolk, often avoided by some, actually contains essential nutrients such as choline, which supports nerve function and helps muscles contract properly. Additionally, eggs provide a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining strong muscles and bones. For the best muscle-preserving effects, they can be eaten hard-boiled for a quick snack, scrambled with vegetables, or incorporated into an omelet for a complete and nutritious meal. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may not be the first food that comes to mind when thinking about muscle health, but they are an excellent addition to any senior's diet. These tiny seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function and energy production. Magnesium deficiency is common in older adults and can contribute to muscle weakness and cramps. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, which supports testosterone levels, a hormone critical for maintaining muscle mass in both men and women as they age. Unlike many other muscle-boosting foods, pumpkin seeds also contain healthy fats that reduce inflammation, a silent culprit behind muscle breakdown. 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are one of the most underrated muscle-preserving foods, yet they provide some of the most essential nutrients needed for muscle maintenance. These small fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which not only help reduce muscle inflammation, but also enhance protein synthesis. What makes fatty fish particularly valuable is their high content of coenzyme Q10, a compound that supports energy production in aging muscles. Many seniors also suffer from vitamin D deficiency, which weakens muscles and bones, making fatty fish an ideal choice since they are one of the best natural sources of this vital nutrient. Eating them on whole grain crackers with mustard creates a delicious, muscle-friendly snack that provides both protein and healthy fats for optimal muscle preservation. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is not typically thought of as a muscle-supporting food, but its powerful anti-inflammatory properties make it an essential addition to any senior's diet. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after physical activity, as inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and joint pain. Turmeric also helps combat oxidative stress, a major factor in age-related muscle decline. To maximize its benefits, it can be added to soups, teas, or even mixed with black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption for optimal results. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not just a creamy snack. It's a complete muscle recovery food. It contains twice the protein of regular yogurt, making it an excellent source for rebuilding muscle. What makes it even more special is its perfect balance of protein and carbohydrates, an ideal post-workout combination that helps muscles recover faster. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which play a surprising role in muscle health by improving gut function. A well-functioning digestive system ensures better absorption of nutrients like protein, calcium, and magnesium, all essential for muscle strength. Combining Greek yogurt with berries and pumpkin seeds creates a muscle-boosting meal that is as delicious as it is effective. 8. Beets. Beets may not be a common muscle food, but their ability to enhance blood flow makes them an essential addition to a strength-focused diet. They are rich in natural nitrates, compounds that convert into nitric oxide in the body, which expands blood vessels and improves circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to muscles, allowing for better endurance and quicker recovery. Beets also contain betaine, a lesser-known compound that supports muscle power and function. Additionally, their high antioxidant content helps reduce post-exercise soreness, making them particularly useful for seniors who want to stay active without excessive discomfort. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate may seem like an indulgence rather than a muscle-boosting food, but it contains surprising benefits for muscle health. High-quality dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids that help improve blood flow to muscles. Better circulation means that muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which enhances performance and recovery. Dark chocolate also contains magnesium, a key mineral that aids in muscle relaxation and reduces the risk of cramps. Additionally, theobromine, a natural compound found in cocoa, helps boost energy levels, making it an excellent pre-workout snack. 10. Bone broth. Bone broth is an ancient remedy that is now gaining recognition for its incredible muscle-preserving benefits. Unlike many other protein sources, bone broth is rich in collagen, which is essential for maintaining strong muscles, joints, and connective tissues. Collagen plays a critical role in keeping muscles flexible and reducing the risk of injuries, which become more common with age. Additionally, bone broth contains amino acids such as glycine and proline, which help repair and rebuild muscles. It also supports gut health, ensuring that nutrients are properly absorbed to fuel muscle growth. Preserving and rebuilding muscle mass goes beyond just consuming protein. A well-balanced diet that includes anti-inflammatory nutrients, healthy fats, essential minerals, and amino acids is key to maintaining strength and mobility as we age. By incorporating at least a few of these muscle-boosting foods into daily meals, Seniors can enjoy improved strength, better recovery, and enhanced overall health. Small dietary changes can make a big difference in preventing muscle loss and ensuring a more active and independent lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health tips.